Do you ever forget important tasks like following up on invoices, paying bills, or scheduling key business activities? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a reminders list in QuickBooks Online so you stay on top of everything in 2025. Whether you're managing a small business or freelancing, this step-by-step guide will help you organize your workflow with zero hassle. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the gear icon in the upper right corner. This is where all your settings are managed. From the drop-down menu, select Recurring Transactions or Tasks and Reminders depending on your QuickBooks version. In 2025, QuickBooks has streamlined this feature, so you might see it labeled as Reminders directly. Next, click on Create Reminder or New Task. Here, you'll need to enter the details of the reminder. For example, give your reminder a name or title, like Send Invoice to Client A. Set the type of reminder. This could be invoice follow-ups, bill payments, or general tasks. Add a due date or recurring schedule if it's something you need to do regularly. And don't forget to write any additional notes or details in the description field. Once you've filled in the details, select how you want to be notified, either through QuickBooks' built-in notification system or via email if available. This ensures you never miss it. Finally, hit Save or Create, and your reminder is now active. You can view all your reminders from the same section and mark them as complete once done. QuickBooks Online will keep everything organized for you in one central spot. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a reminders list in QuickBooks Online for 2025. This simple feature can make a big difference in staying organized and avoiding missed deadlines. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover other features. Stay on top of your business tasks. Your future self will thank you.